Hi, I'm Madhurima Chakravarty. This is my father, Chef Sitangsu. And I live in Chicago where we have pretty good access to Indian food and pretty good access to Chinese food. But one of the things that I miss from when I was growing up in Delhi is Indo-Chinese food. So today we're going to make a couple of snacky items. Bob,
Yeah.
what are we making?
We're making chicken lollipop
Chicken lollipop.
and crispy cauliflower.
So the crispy cauliflower is very good. And I've never been able to make that, so Baba's going to teach me. And the chicken lollipop, also I've never been able to make.
It's Indianized,
Indianized chicken lollipop.
infused, yes.
Why is it
So-
Indianized?
so-
Because two Indian people are making it. We are going to make chicken lollipops, which will end up looking like this. So
Yeah.
the wings pieces will look like this.
Yes.
But I don't know if you can see right there, kind of you see why it's called a lollipop, but it starts by looking like that.
There's the chicken wings. You get it in the
How are you
market.
gonna get that to look like that?
We'll do it.
Skinning wings looks so irritating, Baba. How do you
No,
get it done?
I will show you how to do it. See, look. You hold this skin over here
Yeah.
with a sharp knife,
Yeah.
okay, and just you keep on going like this,
What?
slowly. And you just don't leave this one, hold it like this, okay? And the skin will come off its own automatically.
No, it won't.
Yes, see, you can do it. It's so easy. Yeah, can you see?
It looks easy because you are a master chef.
No, you can do it. You do it.
Okay, well I've already touched some raw chicken, so let me try it.
Okay.
If it's so easy.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Huh? Wait. No, he's right. Look, it just kind of rolls off. Wow. Good job, Baba.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Fine. So then we do the scraping of the meat. You cut these veins over here.
So you're cutting the membrane where it's
Yeah,
attached to the bone.
Yeah, and you keep on scraping. Can you do that?
Yeah, I'll do this one. Cut, scrape, cut, membrane, scrape, cut.
That's great. Beautiful.
Okay, so Baba's going to continue, you're continuing to work on that.
Mm-hmm.
This is the other wingtip part.
Yeah.
And this, as I showed earlier, this is what the finished product looks like.
Right.
So let's get the marinade ready. So now we're going to marinate the chicken. This is my son Kunal. He's a big kid, and he is going to help us make the marinade, right, Kunal?
Mhm.
So what are you going to put in the marinade?
MFG
MSG.
Yeah, put little.
Put a little bit, not that big. Can you put half of that?
half of it.
like that.
Little more, less. Little less. Little less. Make it less.
Like that.
Yes,
Okay, put this one.
so that's about half a
Yeah, that's
teaspoon.
okay.
Let's say this is some grated garlic. Baba,
What is it?
Grated garlic. Here's some grated.
Yeah, put some more.
This one.
Put more.
Okay.
Okay.
That much.
Yes. And some more.
Okay, and
Some
now
more.
get some more.
That much.
Some more.
Yeah, and so
Yeah,
we'll
that's
say
okay.
about a teaspoon
Yeah.
and a half, 2 teaspoons of
Yeah,
grated
that-
garlic. What about this? What about
Ginger.
this? Grated ginger.
Grated ginger. Here's some grated ginger. That much.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's all. Fine. Thank you.
And Kunal, do you remember what this is?
Here's some curry leaves.
Curry
That's right.
leaves. Yeah, very good.
Curry leaves.
That's
So
good.
I'm just going to toss the whole thing.
Okay.
Okay? Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Don't put the spoon. Here, just toss it.
Toss the whole thing in there. Oh, nice.
All right.
Okay, so what else goes in the marinade?
We put some soy sauce.
How much?
I'll tell you when to stop. All right. Stop.
Stop!
That is 1 tablespoon. Okay.
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 And
And there is some salt.
Big.
Yeah.
yeah, on the
one.
big holes.
2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Mm,
7.
That's about
Okay.
about a teaspoon of kosher salt.
Yeah. That's this. White pepper. Oh, that's a fine.
That's good.
Good. And some honey. You like honey?
Yeah.
You like with waffles, not with the chicken.
Have you
But
ever had
that's all.
honey on chicken,
Okay,
Kunal? What do you
enough,
think?
enough. Yeah, that's all.
Kunal, do you think you've ever had honey on chicken? No? Well,
Can
this
we
is the
just
first time.
stir with it?
Okay, be super gentle, okay? Alright. Alright.
That's
Now-
good.
Thank you, sweetie.
Then I want to
The best.
Yeah, we'll do more.
You're a good chef.
Yeah.
We are putting the marinade into the chicken. Kunal, do you want to mix it all up or do you want to pour the chicken into the bowl?
Pour the chicken into the bowl.
Okay, see if you can lift up that plate and put it all into the thing. Oh my goodness, so heavy. Alright.
That's good. So tasty. Who's good?
Alright.
Nice flavor, taste.
Yeah.
Chris, Kunal, are you ready to eat some raw chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. So then this will sit. So Baba, how long does this need to sit for?
Oh, it's 15-20 minutes is enough.
15-20 minutes is enough?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Kunal.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for all your help.
You did a good job.
Okay, so now what, Baba?
Cut the florets of cauliflower.
Okay, so these are some that you had cut before.
Mm-hmm.
So do you want me to do this part?
Just cut one or two, few.
Few more? Okay, so what is the plan for the cauliflower after I cut the florets?
You will have to sprinkle some salt, white pepper, and some MSG. The salt because and rest it for 5-10 minutes, so it starts sweating.
So I wanted to say that the chicken, the lollipop chicken, that's a pretty famous and kind of ubiquitous dish, right? In most Indian Chinese restaurants or most Chinese restaurants in India, you can find lollipop chicken. But this cauliflower thing is sort of your invention, isn't it, Baba?
You can't say invention. Yeah, it's sort of a concoction,
Yeah.
some sort.
So
I mean, it's a derivative of Indian pakoras, sort of.
so
more
is
of
this
it.
food more Indian or is it more Chinese?
It's conceptually Indian, but recipe-wise Chinese, you could say. Yeah.
Okay, so here's the cauliflower. We put some salt earlier to help sweat, and we put some salt. That's some kosher salt. That's
White pepper.
white pepper.
So, yeah.
So we added, I think it was about a cup of cornstarch with about a teaspoon of baking soda, and we mixed it up. And this is going to be what we toss the cauliflower in. Is that right?
Yeah, you can add little salt also in it, little bit of salt, and
Okay.
again white pepper, little bit of white pepper.
Okay. So we are using MSG in our recipes because we like MSG, right?
Yeah, I mean it's an optional.
But
It's a
yeah,
pinch. You can put.
just a pinch.
Yeah. Pinch it. That's all. That's all. Okay,
Okay.
done. If you want, you can add little bit of soy sauce into this if you want.
Into the cauliflower.
Into the cauliflower, just to give a nice flavor. Yes, a little bit more, and toss it up.
Okay. And this will add a little bit of moisture too, right? To help the cornstarch stick.
Yes. Okay, this is the chicken ready to be coated and fried for lollipop.
Okay. So what is
which
this?
you did earlier. This is a cornstarch.
Yeah.
You add pinch of MSG,
Okay.
little bit of salt,
Okay.
little bit of white pepper.
So this is a lot like the cauliflower one too, right?
Yeah, that's all. Which is known as a seasoned, cornstarch.
So we're going to,
You have to just take one of this
yeah,
lollipop, dip it in egg
yes.
nicely.
So this has about 2 eggs in it right now.
Yeah, and put it here, right? Then coat it with this, and this is ready to fry.
Nice. So we actually on here, I'll help you so we can go faster, but we actually have on the stove right now
Yeah.
some oil heating up.
Yes.
Okay.
Shall we do it?
I guess we
together?
should say for the sake of the camera that we have been washing our hands at every stage, right, Bob? This is not dirty hands that we're using.
Because we're going to eat it.
With
so
our
we-
hands.
So we are not going to put dirty hands because we will be eating it.
Yeah. If we were making it for other people,
Yeah.
then we would use dirty hands, no
Yeah.
doubt, of course. Okay, so our oil has been heating, and here we go. Is this golden brown? What do you think?
Maybe a little bit more. That's fine. It's light golden.
Yeah. Golden gold,
Depending on what-
yellow gold.
It's maybe it's 11 carat.
11, right.
Not
We
the-
want to get it up to 18 carat, right? Okay.
Give the chilli.
Okay.
Let's put it.
A little bit of soy sauce, maybe?
Little bit.
Okay, tell me when, okay?
That's all.
What do you think? Any honey or anything?
That's all. No, that's fine. If you
Okay.
want, you can have some sriracha sauce or any. No. That's all.
All right,
You
this
just
looks good.
put it into a.
So this cauliflower has been sweating for how long, you think?
Around 20 minutes.
20 minutes, so it's
Yeah.
nice and damp. That should help coat the cauliflower with this mixture, which has cornstarch, salt, white pepper, and some MSG.
Okay, just toast it. Toast it. Yeah. Let's see, it's oil is hot. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, this is so pretty. It's browning up nicely.
It's up to you, whatever color you want to retain, but cauliflower is cooked and it's crispy, and the art of is that you got to serve it instant. I mean, just before eating or consuming or serving, you fry it at the
Last minute.
last minute.
So let's go. Let's finish. Let's eat.
Okay,
Let's do it.
set the table.
So this smells delicious. It looks good. The cauliflower we did not toss in anything, but we
No.
could, right?
We could, if you want to, it's as a dry appetizer we've kept crispy,
Yeah.
but you can toss it with whole red chilies and green peppers and things like that, whatever, more colorful, more vegetables. little
Well,
bit of-
I like it like this.
And I can serve it as an entree. So
But,
this is it for the day.
these
And
look
hope
delicious.
you enjoy. Bon appetit.
Thank you for watching our video. And thank you
Thank
for
you.
cooking.